Hello everyone, today we'll discuss about types of breath sounds. Now, what are breath sounds? These are the sounds produced by structure of the lungs during breathing. Okay, and this breath sounds they are heard best with the help of stethoscope. Now, different breath sounds they are vesicular breath sounds or vesicular breathing, bronchial breathing or bronchial breath sounds, and bronchovesicular breath sounds. Okay, now starting with first one, vesicular breathing. Okay, so vesicular breathing or vesicular breath sounds. Okay, these are the sounds which are produced by passage of the air through, you can see here, medium and large sized bronchi. Okay, and these are the breath sounds they are heard over the lung, typically in this axillary and infrascapular region. Okay, except they are not heard over the trachea. Okay, and adjoining to the manubrium, upper sternum, and by the side of the bronchus. Okay, now what is the character of vesicular breath sounds? You can see here it has long inspiration, pause between inspiration and expiration is absent, and short expiration. Expiration length is about one third than that of inspiration. This is the character of vesicular breathing. So you will find that air enters during inspiration and exits fast during expiration. Now, next, that is bronchial breathing. You can see here. Now, in bronchial breath sounds, this type of breath sounds they are present in small and medium sized bronchi. Okay, and they are present if you place your stetho on this small and medium sized bronchi as well as on the trachea. But if they are present in other areas of the lung, that suggest pathological condition. Like in which pathological conditions this bronchial breath sounds are present, that is consolidation, cavity, collapse, and open pneumothorax. Now, what is the character of bronchial breathing? You can see here, inspiration that is short. Okay, there is a pause between inspiration and expiration, and the length of expiration is normal. Okay, so this is the characteristic of bronchial breathing. Now, next is bronchovesicular breathing, or in some books that is written that breathing, or you can say vesicular breathing with long expiration. Okay, long expiration. Fine. Now, here in bronchovesicular breathing, what happens? Length of inspiration is equal to length of expiration, and there is no pause between them. And this type of breathing, this bronchovesicular breathing, that is present in case of obstruction of the bronchi, like in chronic obstructive diseases. For example, in bronchial asthma, you can have this kind of breathing heard in different areas of the chest. Okay, so this is about different types of breath sounds. Thank you so much.